Hey everybody, Smasher. Look at my cat. Oh my god, you're so fluffy. You know that? Hey. Dead. Cat, are you dead? Are you dead? Ah! Jump scare.
Amazing Australian experiences for you and a mate, thanks to Tourism Australia, Delta, and Virgin Australia Airlines.
Oh.
The NBC5 investigates
I called him a doormat.
Don't be fooled by the warmer weather. Flu season is still upon us. Now Dallas County is reporting
my feet.
child who died from the flu.
It's my feet.
Coakley is live in Dallas with the update. Gosh, it's late March, Kevin.
Yeah, the weather is certainly warmer, but don't be fooled because people are still checking out the cold flu aisles.
What's that? Okay. Hold on. Do not disturb. Eve. Where's the thanks for watching and stuff? Okay.
Why?
I want Derby.
Okay, finish up, Eve. Do I just change it back to thanks for watching when I want Derpy?
One, I wanted to. Here we go.
No! What the heck?
Oh.
Yeah.
Duh. Hey, it was Ninja Turtles. I have so many.
Let us.
Consumer alerts for you tonight. Walmart is recalling 174,000 dolls because they can overheat and burn children. The recall is for the My Sweet Love, My Sweet Baby Cuddle Care baby dolls that were sold between 2012 and 2014. Dozens of kids have already been reported. Kindle users are getting free books from Amazon and Barnes & Noble. The offer
Hey everybody.
customers who bought e-books between
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Thanks for watching. Bye.